highly aesthetic or viewable areas of the mouth, the benefits of bonded fillings make them a first choice to restore these areas. Once the decay has been removed, the cavity preparations are cleaned and prepared with a blue gel. The gel acts to open up the tiny, well-like spaces found in between the enamel structure of the teeth. Next, the bonding agent is applied to the cavity preparations. A light-activated superglue flows into the tiny wells and hardens and locks into the tooth structure. The filling material is then artistically matched to the existing tooth color, adapted and shaped to fill the cavity preparations. The filling material is then hardened by the energy emitted from a special blue light source. Finally, the tooth structure is shaped and polished to a lustrous finish to blend in with the existing tooth structure.